Okay, everyone, congratulations to everyone that got this far. Hmm, fizzy water. Um, right, so let's have a introduction to the first exam mock. So this is section A, and we'll go over some of the things you need to be aware of. So at the start of your exam paper, you'll find instructions which you should read, but this will help you. It will say that for section A, you should attempt all the questions in section A. Section A represents 3/4 of your mark for multi-choice, and if you can't find an actual answer and you think there's something wrong with the question, then you should select E. There are no marks given for methodology, so whatever you write in the answer book will not be marked, so there's no points to write formulas out or anything like that for section A. And you'll have a multi-choice sheet which you fill in and you record your answers. You should spend about an hour and a half on section A. You are allowed to write on the exam paper. You can keep the exam paper if you wish. And because there's no methodology marks for section A, you might find it useful to sort of draw things out or do some rough calculations on your actual exam paper than your answer book for section A. Obviously, when you go on section B, when you do the long questions, then everything changes then, and then you want to write out the formulas and be as verbose as you can in your answer book. If, however, you do want to have some sort of clean rough paper, then just use the answer book, make sure it's labeled as a section A question, and that would be fine. It just be ignored during the marking. Okay, so you should attempt one question from section B. There'll be a choice of two, and that will represent 25% of your marks. For this, you'll be given marks for methodology, for putting the right numbers into your equations and so on. So you could get quite a lot of marks even if you get the final calculation wrong, if you manage to use the right formula and identify the majority of the right numbers that should go into that formula. And so that would be worth making clear that you've done those steps. Very stupid thing to do would be to just state a final answer, okay? Because if you get that wrong, then you're not likely to get a form. Well, you won't get many marks. That's about it for the instructions. If you've got any questions, then please ask during your tutorial or your lecture or your lectorial. And that's about it for the introduction to the exam. If there's any questions, yeah, email me or whatever, and that would be good.